Hello y'all, it is your favorite blue-haired baddie and I got my painting shirt. So today we're going to be painting. Alright, so today's painting, well, this is a painting that I did last year, over a year ago actually. This is like one of my first paintings I've ever did, and my friend bought it off of me, and now she wants a secondary piece to go with it. We're gonna make a nice complimentary second piece. Okay, so when I made the first piece, I actually painted it with a painter's a paint tray. I poured everything into the paint tray, and okay, so this is the exact same paint tray I use, and I actually just found out it is broken. I was planning to use it to make the second piece, but it has some cracks here. I think I can still use it. Okay. I will just use a funnel to paint this one, because why the hell not, right? And everyone loved the funnel technique last time, so I'll use the funnel again. I really didn't want to. Alright, let's get started. I think I'm gonna use the paint tray to cover the bottom of the funnel and then pour all the paints in, right? Let's go. This painting has so much purple, and I literally hate the color purple. Like, I truly think purple is like the ugliest color in the world. Truly ugliest color in the world. But it's kind of weird because I kind of like how purple and blue look together. I will not lie to you, it looks kind of sexy together, but I don't know, bro. Purple is just nauseating. Okay, so the paint is starting to come out. I really don't know what to do. Okay, oh, it's a lot of purple. Not the smartest. What the hell am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I did not think that through, because everything is just alright, whatever. These colors are really nice together. I'm thinking I should add in more silver. I think the silver should be a little bit thicker. So I'm gonna add in some glue. You know what? I think I'm gonna try ribbons. Okay, so I'm gonna try ribbons. Let's see how this goes. So that is a ribbon. Maybe some blue ribbon. Okay, so I'm actually just gonna do a whole bunch of ribbons onto the piece. And then I'll move it. And I'll just keep moving it and continue to add on ribbons. The way this painting is only on one side of the canvas, but that is okay. Alright, this just looks like a blob of gray there. Absolutely hideous. Let me add in some blue. Ew, a big piece of freaking blood clot. Oh no, a chunk. If it was blood, it's a blood clot, but it's not, so. It looks like only 3 colors are in this painting. What I used, I'm gonna count 2, 4, 6. I used 8 colors, 8 different shades of colors, and it looks like only 3 are in here. What the hell is that? I kind of want the gray to be the main character in this painting. Okay, I think I freaking love that I added in these, what is this, like light tealish baby blue. I think it looks so nice. Oh, that was way too much. I'm gonna go back in with the silver because I think the silver has lost the plot. All right, this one's so funky. I really like the colors. All right, how we feeling? Feeling good? Feeling good? Are we feeling good about this painting? I think we are. Are we? I don't know. Maybe try putting in some more gray. Oh, that was too much. I feel like the gray looks perfect everywhere else. Honestly, I think it looks nice. I feel like right here is the focal of it. It looks like everything is going, like, exploding from that point. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna use more of this color shift color just to add some dimension to where the gray is at. I'm like strategically placing in this color shift purple like little veins in between stuff, and it's so calming to do. This looks fucking sexy. Okay, so this is it. Okay, let's look at this. How cute is it? You can see the glitter at like some points, mostly towards the end, not really a little bit in the middle here, but they're on the edges and it's really cute. I like it. I wish there was a little bit more glitter. I like it. I really do like this color palette. This light blue is so pretty. Here's some details in the middle. And this is them side by side. I always get like so nervous when I'm making a custom painting, and sometimes I send them a video of me making it, and then I always send the wet results and then the dry results, and I always get so nervous when I send them a video or a photo of it and wait for their response. But whatever, they always like it. I'm sick. But yeah, I think they look good together. Look, I see a dragon right here. Like, that's the head, those are the eyes, and these are like the wings. talking to me and said she saw a tree here. It's pretty cool.